Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the Nasdaq futures as they're moving lower today. Nasdaq futures lowered 2 out of the last 3 sessions, and today we're looking at the futures market trading down over 1% currently at the 19,580 level, and that's basically at the level that we did close at 2 sessions ago, which is a 1.5-week low. So some consolidation to lower price action here over the last week and a half in the Nasdaq futures after they did trade up to a 1-month high prior to that. And we're seeing, again, some selling pressure and rotation really unfolding today. Now, the market's still digesting, I think, the Fed message from Friday. Chairman Powell's speech in Jackson Hole announcing that rates are going to be moving lower. He took any guesswork out of it and basically said that the rates are going to be moving lower and most likely in September. And the markets are still adjusting to that as far as the shift in sentiment. It was highly expected, but this certainly was a solidification, I should say, of the idea that rates are going to be moving lower. And I think that that's why you're seeing this rotation. Now, we did see the small caps pretty much unchanged on the day after a big day on Friday. The Dow futures higher today, so that indicates that some of the defensive names were showing strength today, and also interest rate sensitive names. And in the same token, I think we're also seeing some selling pressure in the tech sector, which has, again, had a nice run. And I think as we continue to see this rotation, that's part of the reason why the Nasdaq futures are realizing some selling pressure here for the second day out of the last 3. General trends with this selling pressure, the Nasdaq futures are trading at a 1.5-week low. But when you look at the price action over the last several weeks, coming off those early August lows, we are trading up to a 1-month high before this selling pressure has us backing off a little bit from those 1-month highs. And looking across the board today, the Dow futures showing the most relative strength. The Russell futures unchanged on the day after a big day on Friday, and then the S&P futures down about 75 basis points, and the Nasdaq futures down over 1% in today's action.